If you've ever built a website or written a blog post only to get zero traffic from Google, you're not alone. SEO sounds complicated, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you the basics using MetricVault AI quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know how to audit your site, find keywords you can actually win, and spy on your competitors. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know where you stand. Head over to MetricVault AI. The moment you land on your dashboard, you'll see the 8-second quick preview box right at the top. Type in your website domain. In just a few seconds, MetricVault pulls live, real-time search data to give you 3 core numbers: your authority score, total keywords, and estimated monthly traffic. Below that, look at your average SEO score. Here's a quick rule of thumb. 80 to 100, you're in great shape. 50 to 80, you're doing okay, but there's room to grow. Below 50, this is where you focus your attention first. Step 2. Keyword research. SEO isn't about guessing what people want. It's about knowing exact search phrases. In the MetricVault sidebar, click Keyword and Content Research. Enter a topic related to your business. Pay attention to 3 simple metrics. Volume. How many people search for this every month? Difficulty. How hard it is to rank on page 1. If you're a beginner, aim for keywords with lower difficulty scores. Search intent. Is the user trying to buy something or just learn something? MetricVault organizes all of this so you can pick terms you can realistically win without wasting weeks writing content nobody searches for. Step 3. Learn from your competitors. Why start from scratch when your competitors have already laid out a roadmap? Click on Competitors and Backlinks in MetricVault AI. Type in your main rival's URL. Instead of forcing you to open 5 different tabs, MetricVault runs a full audit in 45 seconds. Look directly at the Keyword Gap Report. This shows you exact keywords your competitor ranks for on Google that you don't. These are your absolute lowest hanging fruit for new blog posts or service pages. Bonus tip. Modern SEO isn't just about Google anymore. It's also about AI. Check out the AI Visibility tab in MetricVault. It shows you how AI engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude view your brand. And if your site feels slow, hop over to Site Health. MetricVault highlights your technical issues, like slow loading times or broken links, so you can fix what's quietly holding your rankings back. SEO doesn't have to take hours of manual work or expensive agencies. By running a quick audit, targeting low difficulty keywords, and filling your competitor gaps, you can start growing your organic traffic today and watch your dashboard come to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital marketing guides, and leave a comment below with your website domain so we can check it out. See you in the next video.